Hello dear traders, you are watching the weekly Linkup on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Tahmina Salomova. In our program, we discuss the ongoing situation on Forex and try to forecast further moves of popular trading instruments. Technical analyst Petr Yakimovic will give us his expert advice. Hi Petr, let's start our dialogue today with the overview of the most popular pair on Forex. The euro versus American dollar pair hit a weekly high on Friday. What further moves do you expect from the single European currency against the US dollar in the short term?
Hello dear traders. I'm expecting upward price on the euro versus US dollar, as like I predicted the last week. This week was actually, in my opinion, the test week, so basically they went to retest the flat base. And in my opinion, this is still very bullish. I'm very bullish on the euro versus US dollar, and we can see that price is trading above 10 and 20 moving average according to the weekly time frame, and if we broke a few weeks flat base. And in my opinion, you should watch for buying opportunities on the dips on this currency pair. At the take profit level is set at the price of 1.1600. We can see the strong relative strength, strong relative strength index. Compared to the previous swings, which is another good sign of strength. So my advice is to watch for buying opportunities on the dips with the first target at 1.1600.
Recently, the pound-dollar pair has revealed interesting market moves. This week, the pair has been trading in a highly volatile market. Today, the bears are setting the tone for trading. Could you please share your forecast in this currency pair?
I'm expecting upward price on the British pound versus US dollar. We got a broken bullish flag formation. This was a few weeks bullish flag formation. There is a strong upward bar on the breakout, and this week looks like it is like testing week for for this bullish flag, and there is no big sellers on the market to react on these higher prices, and that's why I'm expecting the higher and bullish British pound versus US dollar. There is also the strong relative strength index, which is another good sign of the strength. And the take profit level is set at the price of 1.350, which is also a round number, and it can be also a psychological number together with the previous price section according to the weekly time frame. So watch for buying opportunities on the dips on this currency pair.
This trading week, the US dollar has been gaining ground against its Japanese rival. Will you comment on the recent dynamic of the dollar-yen pair?
USD-Japanese yen is in sideways mode, let's call it, on the weekly time frame. But in my opinion, it's much better if you want to trade to position yourself on the bearish side, because there is a supply trend line the weak relative strength index is also another sign that there is no strong buyers at the market at this point, and there is a supply trend line which acting like resistance from the background. So it's a sideways market. We're trading in a trading range around 130 level, but again I prefer more selling opportunities with the first target at 109.35.
Now it makes sense to discuss commodity currencies. For example, the Canadian dollar is rising today against the greenback. How long the boost going to advance in this pair?
I'm expecting a bearish movement and on the USD Canadian dollar, as like I said in my previous forecast. The price basically broke, and USD Canadian dollar broke the very strong bearish flag. This was about 1 year that price established this consolidation and this bearish flag, and the price finally broke that bearish flag. And in my opinion, you should watch on the short-term horizon, you should watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair. The first target is at the price of 1.2800. If the price and if the sellers got enough power and they breaks the 1.2800, watch for potential second target at 1.2650. Again, big bearish flag in the background is broken, and buying looks very risky, so watch for selling opportunities with the first target at 1.2800.
Thank you, Petr, for your valuable advice. See you next Friday. You have watched the Linkup prepared for you by ИнстаФорекс team alongside technical analyst Petr Yakimovic. We hope your trading will benefit from our recommendations. Don't miss our next edition in a week.